Hi, welcome to Exploring Foods with Smitty, and I just ordered the Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer. So I wanted to bring you on so that I can unbox it and show you what all you get with it. So let's go ahead and get this open. And it just came today. And I will put a link in the description box so that you can look it up on Amazon if you're interested. Okay, so we got all of this out. So let's see what comes in here. Super fast. Okay, so it comes with your manual on how to work it. Here, let me turn this around so you can see what I'm showing you. It comes with a manual that tells you how to work it. You get a Speedi meals chart, which gives you different recipes. You also get a quick start guide, which comes with various recipes, and it also lets you build your own recipe. I think if you go into the app, you can put what kind of meat you're using, what kind of vegetables, and it'll come up with the recipe for you. And then it comes with an owner's guide, which in these days is sometimes unusual. Sometimes you have to go online. So you get all of that stuff. Put that over here. And then it comes with your machine. Let me see, get this out of here. Good protection. So here we go. Put this over here. Okay. Now let's get the plastic off. You know, it's a little bigger than I thought it would be. Get this off. Okay. There you go. Okay, so let's see what comes inside. Of course, it needs to be clean. You don't use any appliances that you order before you clean it. So let's look inside. So inside, it comes with a extra pan for you to use it with. That's good. You get an extra pan. Because I don't think it, yeah. This came with an extra pan. Because you usually only get two things, which is the crisper, which is this doohickey right here.
What is that?
This is the crisper. Whenever you're wanting to crisp fries or anything like that, you put it on here. Okay, so you get the crisper. And then you get the cooker pan. And this right here, turn this around so that's out of your way. This right here is a 6-quart cooking pan. So it's a pretty big pan. Like for 2 people, let's see, it's a maximum 18 cups.
Wow.
So this is good for 4 people, they say, but for 2 people, you could use this for 2 people with leftovers. And what I plan to do is on the channel, I'm going to use each feature that it does, because it does slow cooking, it does roasting, it does air frying, you can bake in it, you can do all sorts of things. So I just wanted to get with you and let you see how it is. Unboxing it, and what I'm going to do is get this stuff cleaned up, and you know what, I may make some french fries in it so that you can see how it goes. So thanks for watching, and we'll be back with more recipes from the cooker.